Okay, so where have I got to so far? I've created 2 new jigs. First one failed. This was to clamp it, the block at high level to give it a bit more rigidity. However, this option didn't work, so I've now redesigned that, and as you'll see at the back here I have a what's this, some sort of fixture anyway, 3D printed fixture with stainless steel bolts and plates and nuts and bolts, and that will hold the piece in there when it's clamped together. The second new addition is this one. This was printed today. This took 16 hours, just over 16 and a half hours to print this. I've had to clean the insides out here because I had to put some supports in for the printing, because it was printed on that surface, because we've got little feet going into this track. There's 8 little feet, and then in between the feet are these little T-bolts. So when it's tightened down, I've used 2 at the moment, just the 2 outside ones, because if I want to use the others, I've got to take all these ones out and slide them along. So I thought, let's see how it goes with just 2. And at the moment it looks pretty sound. When I put my material in, it should hold it right up to the top. Because I'm machining this surface here, I only need that bit exposed and held, and then the back one will hold it for this surface. And just finished this little block. So this started off in here in the front, like so, and it's machined on both sides. So I've now got a block, solid block of Delrin that's been machined on all sides. So now the next stage will be to try out the new fixtures and see if I can machine it. So the 510 recess, the button, and the relief patterns that I'm putting in here on these mods. There will be a lot shallower, so I want them I only want a slight increase in their depth, so I might go 1/4 mil or 1/2 mil, something like that. So part 2's done, because that's had machining on the top to create the shape. Then I've cut the bottom off, so there's about a 4 mil piece I've cut off. Then I've just turned it over and machined that surface, and the machining surface on there is pretty good. Okay, so I will update the next one once I have tried the new pieces that hold it. And there is a couple of big bolts here that go through there into a captive nut into the back, that will clamp that together.